to this one-off lecture about hypergeometric functions. So, what are hypergeometric functions? Well, you can probably guess from the name that they have something to do with geometry, right? Well, what do they have to do? It's a pretty distant link. And most hypergeometric functions are non-elementary. They're so far away from trigonometric functions and hyperbolic functions that, they seem totally unusable, right? So what are they good for? Why do we use them? Well, that's what we'll be talking about today. So first of all, question 1. What is a hypergeometric function? Well, as you can guess from the name, it has something to do with geometric series. Now, recall that a geometric series is the infinite sum of x to the n, where we're summing over n, the index. And, that's pretty much it. So, it starts off as 1 plus x squared plus x cubed plus x to the fourth, and so on and so forth. And there's a pretty easy proof that this is just equal to 1 over 1 minus x. So how does that relate to hypergeometric functions in general? Well, as you might have guessed, the hyper is because hypergeometric functions are generalizations of geometric functions. Instead of being just x to the n, we now have some function f of x and multiply it by some function g that might depend both on x and on the sum index n to the nth power, which means it has to increase or decrease, but its power or influence is going to increase as you go on. And an important distinction is that this has to be a rational function. Otherwise, pretty much anything could be hypergeometric. So, okay, we know what they're for now, but why are they useful?